Hello! If you are planning on getting some geese at your house and you are not too sure what to expect, how to take care of them, what to feed them, and what will be their reaction, well, watch this video. This is for you. So I've got only two type of geese. That one that we see here is like a white one, huh? And I've got another one that I will show you now. So this is the other geese that I have. This one is the gray one, or known as well as the geese de Toulouse. The first question we may have is, are they dangerous? The answer is yes and no. Okay, why yes and no? Because you can see they are behind me, they're absolutely quiet, they don't do anything. I've got a neighbor that comes here as well. Nothing happened as well, but they do have their heads. Yeah? Sometimes someone will bring me a packet here, and he will see the geese and will start having a bit of fear. What will happen? The geese will then open the wings and they will start hissing, shh, and then eventually they can come and attack and bite. But I think this is it's a bit like people and dogs. People that are scared of dogs, usually the dog can feel it. And then usually those people are more prone to be bitten than any other people. Personally, a dog never bit me because I don't have fear of them at all. And the dog, can feel the energy. Um, but it's true as well that some businesses, they do use them for to keep the business, huh? So they leave them at night and they patrol around. The good thing as well is that they will advise you whatever comes along, they will advise you. So that's brilliant. For instance, here I'm on the countryside, there's nobody around, and if a car comes or if someone comes walking along, they would advise immediately. They will start shouting, and I know something is happening. It could be an animal, it could be a person, a car, whatever. So that, in fact, they will advise me before the dogs, which is quite good. Okay, what do we need to feed them? Well, that's the good thing about the geese, because they basically self-sufficient. If you got a little bit of land with some grass, that's basically it. Okay, a bit of water for them to drink, and then what they will do, they will go around the land and they will eat like that, huh? So that will be it. Personally, I only give them a bowl of how do you call it, something for chickens. uh, the word doesn't come to me, but they also do eat the feed for the dogs. So they're very easygoing. Okay, um, as well at night. I only give them at night, because at night I bring them back into the hen's house, because if I don't, they will gladly stay around the house the whole night. But obviously for predators, I prefer them to be inside than outside. As well, if you can have a little, something for them to be in with some water, they will gladly go inside and wet themselves, if you have. But if you don't have, it doesn't matter. They will be just as happy. Now for the eggs. Those two are males, so obviously I won't have any eggs. But before, I used to have a female, and to be honest, for the eggs, that was a bit of a pain. I've never managed to get one. So for this, I won't be able to answer your question, because I know a lot of people got problems as well, that sometimes they don't lay. Yeah? Uh, so if you want to buy them for eggs, just maybe give them a special feed uh, that will push them to lay, because for this it's a bit odd. Okay, the female I had before has been killed by a fox, shame. But I had her for about a year, and I've never seen an egg in 1 year. Uh, So if you want them for eggs, I don't know. If you want them for meat, personally, me, I will never kill them. I just enjoyed having them around. But obviously, for meat, it's very good. The gray one is well known for the quality of its meat, um, but this is up to you. As I say, me, I don't. I see them a bit like my children, so I won't do that. Okay. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video, and I hope this will guide you if you need to get geese or not in your house. Okay, we'll see each other in the next video. Ciao.